Bring your little piece of shit to the strip. Get your shit smoked.
Alright, so this is going to be the install on the Ottis Racing reverse lockout kit, and it's very easy to install. And if you have any questions, you can just email me, so I will tell you how to install it right here. Okay, so this is the transistor right here, and that can only go one way, so that's going to be easy to install. These right here are the resistors. Both of these right here, you have a 102 and a 101. And those are non-directional, so it doesn't matter what direction you have them. On my kit, they're automotive grade. They do not have the 102 and the 101 on there. So what I did was I wrote a 1 on there for the 101, and then there's a 2 on the other one, and that is the 102. And do these one at a time with the resistors, SMD resistors, because you don't want to get them mixed up because they do not have the numbers on them. So make sure you do them one at a time. Okay, and here I'll go to the diodes. You're going to replace this diode right here with the A in the package, so it'll be labeled A. And then this is going to be the diode that has the 361 on it. And make sure you install these. There'll be like a mark on it, a line. Make sure the line faces up, just like this white area right here where it's brighter up there. Make sure they face up on both sides relative to the ECU in this diagram. So yeah, make sure you have the lines. That's the cathode side, so make sure the cathode side points up. These are directional. And then here is your reverse lockout chip. There's a dot right here, and then there's a, when you have boards like this, the dots usually match, so the dot faces left and the dot right here faces left, and you'll see that on your reverse lockout chip. So just make sure it faces to the left here with the dot. And then use flux when you solder it. And then you're pretty much done after you solder the stuff in. It's very simple to do. It's an easy kit, and I'll show you what the kit looks like. These are OEM parts right here, and this is what the kit will look like. There'll be 6 pieces in here. See, 3, and then the 2 white resistors. See how they're not labeled? So you got 2 of those, and then you have your chip right there, the reverse lockout chip.
Pause the diagram, then install that shit. Thank you, Ottis. It's been a pleasure.